ChatGPT's traffic declined for the first time from May to June. Worldwide unique visitors to the site dropped by 5.7%, with the amount of time spent on the site down 8.5%. ChatGPT and NBSP still attracts more visitors than Bing.com. Charts showing ChatGPT's growth and recent decline are available in the article. Air conditioners keep people comfortable and alive. Extreme heat waves are killing more and more people every year. The demand for more air conditioners is exacerbating climate change due to increased demand for electricity and the leakage of refrigerants. Both winners of the 2021 Global Cooling Prize were heat pumps that reduce cooling's climate impact by up to 80%. Heat pumps address the problems of emissions while providing a source of emissions-free power. They're also comparatively cheaper to install than central air conditioners. Twitter's recent volatility provided Meta with an opening to compete. Meta had been planning to release Threads for a while, but the recent backlash over Twitter's limit on how many tweets people can see per day prompted the company to push it out this week. Meta expects tens of millions of people to try the service within the next few days. Threads is now available in 100 countries, but not in the EU due to complexities complying with some of the laws coming into effect next year. Meta's Twitter competitor Threads is now available. It can be accessed on iOS, Android, and the web. Threads allows users to create text-based posts with up to 500 characters, share photos, and upload videos up to 5 minutes long. It looks similar to Twitter, with an interface that gives users the option to like, comment, repost, and share threads. Users can choose to log in with their Instagram usernames or create a new account. Threads does not currently support ActivityPub, but there are plans to integrate the protocol later down the line. The app is not available in the EU due to the EU's strict privacy regulations. LineSelect is a shell utility that allows users to interactively select lines from stdin and output them to stdout. It effectively pauses the pipeline for the selection. LineSelect makes it easier to select files with ls, managed Docker containers, grep log files, and more. OpenAI is forming a team to develop ways to steer and control superintelligent AI systems. AI with intelligence exceeding that of humans could arrive within the coming decade. There is no current solution for controlling a potentially superintelligent AI and preventing it from causing harm. The team aims to develop a solution by creating a human-level automated alignment researcher that will find ways to ensure AI systems achieve desired outcomes. The Vercel Platforms Starter Kit is a full-stack Next.js template for building multi-tenant applications with custom domains. It features programmatically assigned unlimited custom domains, subdomains, and SSL certificates, fast performance, an AI editor, image uploads, custom styles, and more. The kit creates apps that can serve multiple customers across different subdomains, custom domains with a single unified codebase. AI licensing isn't as simple as applying proprietary open-source software licenses. It has many layers with multiple components and additional licensing considerations. This article presents a set of AI licensing categories to standardize discussions on AI licensing. It names different categories of license types based on the function they serve and which AI component they serve. Using the right terms will help the industry move forward in developing standards around each of the categories. This tool takes English instructions and compiles them into PySpark objects like data frames. Firefox 100.15 introduced a new feature that only allows some extensions monitored by Mozilla to run on specific websites. Some people are frustrated with React server components, others are frustrated with the way the React team communicates, and the React team is frustrated with the pylon they are facing. This article presents 3 alternative AI-generated endings for humanity in an attempt to mimic a physicist's agnostic approach to predicting how the universe will end. Large language models do both of the things that their promoters and detractors say they do, at the same time, on the same prompts, and while it is difficult to tell which they're doing, both of them are useful. This page contains a collection of interviews, podcasts, posts, books, and other resources from Keith Rabois, a general partner at Founders Fund.